All right, good morning, happy Monday. We're here in beautiful Wayne, New Jersey. Got some beautiful fall weather. Got an exterior renovation going on. We had done the roof about a couple of years ago, a year or two ago, and just put on the stone to the front of the house. Now we're putting on the siding. The guys are unloading the PVC AZEC trim boards that we're going to do around the columns in the front. And now it's time to put the finishing touches on. So we got the team here unloading. It's big 18-foot 1x12 PVC boards. Not the easiest thing to move around.